Genius Kids. Cultivating love for learning.
Housing and clothing. Knowledge acquisition. In this chapter, we will study about the different types of houses, materials used to build a house, the features of a good house, the different types of clothes, the ways that we keep our home clean and tidy. We all need a house to live safely. Our house protects us from heat, cold, rain, storms, thieves, and wild animals. People living in different regions and climates make different kinds of houses. Types of houses. We see different types of houses around us. They differ in size, shape, location, and construction materials. They can be divided into two major types: permanent houses and temporary houses. 1. Permanent houses. Houses that are made of bricks, cement, iron, steel, and concrete are called permanent houses or pakka houses. They are very strong and cannot be shifted from one place to another. These houses are able to last a long time. These houses are mostly found in towns and cities. Permanent houses can further be divided into different types like single-storied house, bungalow, and multi-storied building. 2. Temporary houses. Houses that are made of wood, mud, straw, grass, bamboo, and thatch or sticks are called temporary or kutcha houses. They are neither strong nor long-lasting. The only advantage of kutcha houses is that construction material, being natural, is cheap and easily available. These houses can be easily seen in villages. Critical thinking. Huts made of mud and water are cool inside in summer. Apart from kutcha houses, there are some other temporary houses like caravan, tent, houseboat, igloo, stilt, etc. 1. Caravan. People who roam around from place to place are called nomads. They live in caravan. A caravan is a house of wheel. It is usually a big vehicle like a van. There is everything inside this one that a person or family need, like bed, shelves, vessels, water, etc. Gypsies and people who work in the circus usually live in caravans. 2. Tent. It is a house that is made of canvas. It can be folded and carried along easily. NCC cadets, campers, nomads, soldiers, and construction workers use the types of these houses. 3. Houseboat. Some people also make houses on boats. These are called houseboats. It is made of wood. It can move along a river or a lake. In India, houseboats are commonly found in Kashmir and Kerala. They may have many rooms with all facilities. 4. Igloo. In ice-cold places like the Arctic, people cut blocks of ice to make houses called igloos. They have round or dome-shaped roofs. Usually, Eskimos live in igloos. 5. Stilt. House in places where it rains a lot, houses are made on poles called stilt. It is made on long pieces of wood or metal. Water cannot enter or wash away these houses as they are high above the ground. Critical thinking. Houses on mountains have sloping roofs so that snow and rain can slide down easily. A good and clean house. A house may be big or small. It may be a hut or a bungalow. It may be single-storied or multi-storied. A good house should have some essential features. Every room should be airy and well lit. Sunlight keeps the room dry and kills the germs that can make us sick. We should have proper windows in the house to let the sunlight come in. Doors and windows should have wire netting to keep mosquitoes and flies away. Iron grills protect from intruders. The air becomes polluted when we breathe. Windows allow the polluted air to go out and the fresh air to come in. Plants clean the air. So we should grow plants around our houses. There should be some open space like a courtyard, veranda or balcony where children can play. They allow sunlight and fresh air into the house. There should be separate rooms for sleeping, welcoming guests, cooking, dining, storing and washing. Ways to keep a house neat and clean. Every house should be neat and clean. Wash basins, toilets and bathrooms that breed germs and diseases must be washed and cleaned daily. Water should not be allowed to collect on the floors of the kitchen and bathroom. Dustbins must be kept away from the place where we cook and eat. They should remain covered and must be cleaned every day. Garbage should not be thrown outside the house. If it is thrown in open places, flies and other insects breed and cause sickness. There should be closed dustbin for the garbage. A good house should have a proper drainage system to carry away the dirty water. Mosquitoes and flies breed in this water and spread diseases. Coolers should be dry when they are not in use. We should have a fixed place for keeping things. This gives the house a neat and tidy appearance. Clothing. Like a house, clothes protect us from changing weather conditions, natural elements, and insects. To keep ourselves comfortable, we wear different types of clothes depending upon the weather conditions of the place where we live. We also dress up according to the occasion or the place we go to. For example, we wear our school's uniform when we go to school. We wear loose and comfortable clothes when we are at home or picnic. We wear bright, colorful clothes when we go to a party. Seasonal clothes. We wear our clothes according to the climatic conditions. Different places of India have different types of climate. Places like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and other hilly areas face extreme cold conditions during most part of the year. Here, people wear thick woolen clothes to protect themselves from cold. Places like Delhi and Punjab face different climates in summer, winter as well as rainy season. In these places, people wear clothes according to the season. In summer, people wear cotton clothes to keep themselves cool. In winter, they wear woolen clothes. During rain, they wear raincoats and use umbrellas and gumboots to protect themselves from getting wet. Places like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, etc. experience hot and wet climate throughout the year. People living in these places wear light, comfortable and loose clothes. Fibers. Clothes are made from fibers. Many fibers when twisted together make yarn. These yarns are used to make fabric. One or more fabrics are then stitched together to make a dress. Fibers are of two kinds, natural fibers and man-made fibers. Natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals. Animal fibers include wool and silk that come from animals' hair, fur, etc. Plant fibers come from plants like cotton, jute, flax, etc. Man-made fibers are also called synthetic fibers. Nylon, terracotta and polyester are man-made fibers. Continuous review. All human beings need house and clothes. Houses are of different sizes, shapes, locations, and construction materials. A caravan is a house of wheels. People who work in the circus usually live in caravans. A tent is a house that is made of canvas. NCC cadets, nomads, soldiers, and construction workers live in these types of houses. Stills are made of long pieces of wood or metal. Plants clean the air. So we should grow plants around our houses. We wear our clothes according to the climatic conditions.
Like, share and subscribe.